Hi everybody, my name is Bree and you can normally find me at Semaphore Library. And at the moment it's winter, it's a little bit cold and miserable outside, and if it's raining and you're bored inside and you want something to do, today I'm going to show you a really simple, cool craft that you can do at home using just a few things that hopefully you will already have. So we're going to be making a cardboard cutout of a winter hat. And if you have any pom-poms around the house, you could even add that on top as decoration. But the only things we need to do this are a cup of water with a paintbrush. We need some watercolor paint. Now I've grabbed my blue colors because they're very wintry and I'm going to paint my cardboard beanie blue. Then we just need a pencil or a pen for drawing the outline. This is the cool part. We need either an old candle if your grown-ups have one, or a white crayon, and just a piece of plain cardboard. Let's get started. So I've just changed the camera angle so that you can see what I'm doing with my hands, because the first thing that we need to do is we need to draw the outline of a warm winter beanie on our piece of white cardboard using our pencil or pen. So first I'm going to do the bottom bit, which would be where you fold over the underneath fabric of your beanie. And then I'm going to do a big half oval as the top of the beanie. And I'm going to put a circle on top for where I might have the pom-pom. Okay, step 2 is the really cool part, because this is where I'm going to use my plain white candle or a white crayon to draw some designs inside the hat. Now you won't be able to see them at first, but you will once we put the paint on. So I'm going to start with some zigzags up the top, and then I'm going to put maybe some straight lines across, and you can see up close a little bit what it looks like, but you won't be able to see it properly until we get our lovely paint on there. And I'm going to do maybe a wavy line and some circles and spots as well. Okay, time to get my paint. So now I've got my blue watercolor paints and I've got my paintbrush and water, and I'm going to choose this nice light blue color. And once I've dipped it in there and got some nice wet paint, I'm just going to slowly paint over my hat. And oh my gosh, so you can see that the wax of the candle or the crayon has stopped the paint from soaking into the paper in those sections. And it doesn't matter if you get it outside the edges, because we're going to cut our lovely hat out at the end when we're finished. And because the wax is waterproof when it's not melty, it makes this lovely print on our cardboard. Let's cut it out and see how it looks. Okay, so I let my hat dry for a little while and then I've cut it out, and this is the finished result. And you could put it on your fridge or stick it over another picture to decorate. And when you're finished, this can just go into the recycling bin. So if you do this one at home, please remember to tag us at City of PAE Libraries. You can like this video and you can follow our channel for more videos of us reading stories and doing crafts, or you can come in and visit us at one of our 5 library branches, as long as it's safe to do so. Thank you, I'll see you next time.